Welcome to the Introduction to Football using Allsport Pro. This video explains the process of creating a new game based upon the rules profile, scoring a game, and setting fanfares. Open Allsport Pro using the icon on the desktop of your computer or tablet's home screen. Log into the Allsport Pro application using the username and password provided to you by Daktronics. If you do not have this information, contact your system's administrator or Daktronics support. Allsport Pro uses pre-configured rule files when creating a new game. Select the main menu icon in the top left corner and choose Rules to configure your rules profile. Existing profiles cannot be changed, but the items can be copied within this menu to create new customized presets. Choose the copied profile to edit settings for default number of downs, midfield yard line, and clock defaults. Choose Save once a profile has been set to the desired settings. To start a new game, open the menu using the main menu icon and select Games. You can open a game that has already been created or click Add New to start a new game. The Create Game window guides users through the three options required for a new game. Choose Football for the sport, then select the appropriate rules file for your level of competition. And finally, select the scoreboard to be used, then choose Create. Once the game has been opened, set the home and guest team names using the three dots menu next to each team name. Users can set a team name and a team short name. For in-game operation, use the scoring keys under the home and guest scores to increment scores by 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, or by 6 points. Double-click within the score box to manually type in scores. Both game clock and play clock can be started by using the play icon next to the clock time. The circular arrow in the play clock section are used to reset the clock to the specified time as set in the rules profile. Choose the pencil icon for either clock to make manual adjustments when necessary. Timeouts for both teams can be incremented using the three dots icon and choosing the plus or minus. Similarly, set the game quarter by using the menu above the game clock. Play information can be entered using the field image under the last play tab at the bottom of the screen, or by manually entering the ball on and down and distance information. Click the football icon next to each team name to set possession and enter down and distance information. Click Set to send the play information to the output. The software will automatically calculate the down and to-go information when the operator clicks the yard line on the field image or enters the yard line in the ball on field. To set fanfares, which automatically play content on your display when certain scoring keys are hit, choose the Display Studio tab. Select the three dots menu and choose Configure to select your Display Studio tab container. The drop-down shows the container tabs that have been created in every Display Studio workspace. Selecting a tab will link the buttons on that tab to allow operators to quickly trigger Display Studio content from within the Allsport Pro program. Once a tab container has been chosen, select Enable Fanfare to enable the triggering of content through the scoring buttons. Choose the drop-down under each item to select the Display Studio scripting button you would like to trigger, or leave the drop-down blank to remove a trigger. Once the desired triggers have been set, click Save. Now when those specified scoring keys are selected in Allsport Pro, the chosen content from Display Studio will automatically play. To exit the game scoring mode, choose the Game menu in the top left and select Leave Game. The system will show a warning message when leaving a game. Game scoring will be saved on the Games page to allow users to continue scoring existing games or to take over scoring on another device. When a game is finished, it must be deleted before a new game can be displayed on the scoreboard. Select the checkbox next to the finished game and click the delete icon to remove the game. In the confirmation box, click Confirm to permanently delete the game from the system. This concludes the introduction to football with the All Sport Pro. Continue to other videos for information on configuration for other sports.